Are you struggling with constant bloating, feeling sluggish, and carrying around stubborn weight that just won't budge? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact warm drink mix that can help flush up to 5 pounds of toxic waste from your body by morning. You absolutely have to know this. Hey everyone, and welcome to Revitamen. We're going to cover everything you need to know about this powerful detox drink, including the exact recipe and why each ingredient works. But make sure you stick around until the end, because the secret ingredient I reveal at number 1 is the one that changed everything for me, and I guarantee it will shock you. Alright, let's not waste any time. The most powerful ingredient in this mix, and we're starting with a huge one, is ingredient number 7, raw apple cider vinegar with the mother. Let me explain why this is so critical. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been scientifically proven to improve digestion, balance your gut pH, and literally help break down the toxic waste that's been sitting in your digestive system for days or even weeks. The mother in raw apple cider vinegar contains beneficial bacteria and enzymes that act like a broom, sweeping through your intestines and eliminating buildup. Studies have shown that just 2 tablespoons before bed can kickstart your metabolism and help your body naturally eliminate waste overnight. If you can just add this one ingredient to warm water tonight, you'll already be ahead of 90% of people who are struggling with the same issues. And if you thought that was a game changer, you have no idea what's coming. The final ingredient we'll cover is even more powerful, and it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Okay, moving on to ingredient number 6, which is fresh lemon juice. Now, I'm not talking about the bottled stuff from the store. You need to use half a fresh lemon squeezed into your warm mixture. Here's why this matters so much. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and natural citric acid that stimulates your liver, which is your body's main detox organ. When you sleep, your liver goes into overdrive trying to filter toxins, and lemon juice gives it the support it desperately needs. Plus, the pectin fiber in lemon juice helps you feel full and reduces those late-night cravings that sabotage your progress. This is a non-negotiable ingredient. Next up is ingredient number 5, and this one is going to surprise you. A 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I know what you're thinking, spicy drink before bed? Hear me out. Cayenne contains capsaicin, which is a natural thermogenic compound. What that means is it literally raises your body temperature slightly, which boosts your metabolism while you sleep. But here's the real magic. Cayenne pepper stimulates something called peristalsis, which is the wave-like muscle contractions in your intestines that push waste through your system. Without proper peristalsis, waste just sits there, fermenting and releasing toxins back into your bloodstream. A tiny amount of cayenne gets things moving naturally, and by morning, you'll feel the difference. Don't worry, in the warm drink, it's actually quite pleasant and soothing. Another common one is ingredient number 4, raw organic honey. Now, this has to be raw honey, not the processed stuff. Here's what most people don't understand. Raw honey contains prebiotics that feed the good bacteria in your gut. Your gut health is directly connected to how efficiently you eliminate waste. When your gut microbiome is balanced, your body naturally flushes toxins faster. Plus, honey has natural enzymes that help break down food particles that might be stuck in your digestive tract. It also makes the drink taste amazing, which means you'll actually want to drink it every night. Use about 1 tablespoon and make sure you add it after the water has cooled slightly, because high heat destroys those beneficial enzymes. Now let's talk about ingredient number 3.
And this is where things get really interesting.
Fresh grated ginger root. You want about a 1/2-inch piece of ginger, grated or finely chopped. Ginger has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, and modern science is finally catching up to why it works so well. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols that have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. But for our purposes tonight, here's what matters most. Ginger is what's called a carminative, which means it helps release trapped gas and reduces bloating. It also speeds up gastric emptying, which is the rate at which food leaves your stomach and moves through your intestines. Faster transit time means less opportunity for waste to accumulate and toxins to build up. If you've ever felt like your stomach is a balloon that's about to pop, ginger is your new best friend. And the second to last ingredient, number 2 on our list, is another incredibly important one, a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, or sea salt.
This is something I see people skipping all the time, and it's sabotaging their results. Here's why salt is absolutely essential. When you're flushing toxins and waste from your body, you're also losing electrolytes. Without proper electrolyte balance, you can wake up feeling dizzy, tired, and crampy. The minerals in pink Himalayan salt, including magnesium, potassium, and calcium, help your cells properly absorb all the nutrients from the other ingredients. Salt also stimulates saliva production and gastric juices, which are critical for breaking down food and waste. Just a tiny pinch, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, is all you need. This prevents dehydration and ensures your body can efficiently eliminate that toxic buildup overnight without leaving you feeling depleted. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the #1 ingredient that is the true secret weapon in this powerful detox drink is warm water at the perfect temperature. I know that might sound too simple, but stay with me because this is absolutely critical. The water needs to be warm, between 120 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Not hot, not lukewarm, but pleasantly warm. Here's the science behind why this matters so much. Cold water actually slows down your digestive system and can cause your body to constrict blood vessels, making it harder to eliminate waste. Hot water can destroy the beneficial enzymes in the honey and other ingredients. But warm water does something magical. It relaxes your digestive tract, dilates your blood vessels, and allows your body to absorb all those powerful ingredients we just talked about at maximum efficiency. Warm water also helps dissolve and break down fatty deposits and mucoid plaque that's stuck to your intestinal walls. This is the waste that's making you feel bloated and heavy. When you drink this warm mixture, you're literally melting away years of accumulated sludge. The temperature of the water is just as important as the ingredients themselves. And this is the mistake I see everyone making. They either make it too hot or just use room temperature water, and then they wonder why it doesn't work. Temperature is everything.
So there you have it, the 7 powerful ingredients that make up this incredible nighttime detox drink that can help you flush up to 5 pounds of toxic waste by morning. We covered apple cider vinegar with the mother, fresh lemon juice, cayenne pepper, raw honey, grated ginger, pink Himalayan salt, and of course the most important one, perfectly warmed water at the right temperature. Now I have a question for you. Have you been struggling with bloating and sluggish digestion? Be honest and let me know in the comments below. I read every single one and I want to hear about your experience when you try this tonight. Let me give you the exact recipe one more time so you can screenshot this or write it down. In a mug, combine 1 cup of warm filtered water at about 130 degrees. Add 2 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar with the mother. Squeeze in half a fresh lemon. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Grate in about a 1/2-inch piece of fresh ginger root. Add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. And finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey. Mix it all together and drink it about 30 minutes before bed on an empty stomach. Here's what you can expect. Within the first hour, you might feel some gentle gurgling in your stomach. That's a good sign. It means things are starting to move. While you sleep, your body will be working hard to break down and eliminate that toxic waste. By morning, most people report feeling significantly lighter, less bloated, and having a very productive bathroom visit. Some people see results the very first night. For others, it takes 3 to 5 days of consistent use to really flush out that deep-seated waste. The key is consistency. Now, I need to give you a few important warnings. First, if you have any existing digestive conditions like GERD, ulcers, or irritable bowel syndrome, please consult with your healthcare provider before trying this. The cayenne and apple cider vinegar can be irritating if you have open sores or severe inflammation. Second, if you're on any medications, especially blood thinners or diabetes medications, talk to your doctor because some of these ingredients can interact with certain drugs. Third, this is not a magic pill. You cannot eat garbage all day and expect this drink to fix everything. This works best when combined with a healthy diet, proper hydration throughout the day, and regular movement. Let me also address something important. When I say you can flush 5 pounds of toxic waste, I'm talking about actual waste material, water retention, and inflammation, not 5 pounds of pure body fat. However, many people do find that once they eliminate this toxic buildup, their metabolism improves, their energy increases, and fat loss becomes much easier. Your body can't function optimally when it's backed up with waste. Once you clear that out, everything works better. One woman told me she'd been constipated for 6 days, and after drinking this for just 2 nights, she finally found relief. Another person said they lost 8 pounds in the first week, and while some of that was water weight, they felt so much better that they were motivated to keep going with a healthy lifestyle. The testimonials keep pouring in, and I'm so excited for you to experience this for yourself. One more pro tip: if you find the taste too strong at first, you can start with half the amount of cayenne and apple cider vinegar and gradually work your way up over a week. Your taste buds will adjust, and soon you'll actually crave this drink because your body recognizes how good it is for you. If you got value from this video, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.